Start with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficial and most merciful. It's me, Akim Ali from Levitt School and Intermediate College, and I am here to deliver my lecture on biology. My topic is classification of living organisms. First of all, we have to know that what is classification. Classify means to arrangement or to classify the living organisms into different species and into different genes or into phylums. In the previous class, we have learned the branch of biology taxonomy. It is a branch of biology in which we study about classification of living organisms according to their forms, according to their structural similarities and dissimilarities. The animals are classified into different groups and species. Now we study about basis of classification. It means that on which basis the animals are classified or grouped into different kingdoms. The living organisms are classified on the basis of similarities and dissimilarities. It is not easy to classify the organisms by their similarities. There are many bases and techniques are used to classify the organisms by the homologous structure, by the homologous functional. The animals are classified into same group or same species or same kingdom. It is known as the basis of classification. Now our second topic is units of classification. There are 7 units of classification. The basic unit of classification is species. It means that the smallest unit of the kingdom is known as species, and the closely related species are grouped into genera. The first one is species. Species are grouped into genera. Singular is genus. And genus into family, and family into order, order into class, class into singular phyla, and the phylums are into kingdom. The smallest units of classification is species, and the closely related species is combined to form the genera. The singular is genus, and the closely related genus are combined to form the family, and the closely related family is combined to form the order, and the closely related order form the classes, and classes combined to form the phylum. The phylum is the second largest unit of the classification, and the largest classification is the kingdom. The kingdom is the largest unit of classification in which the whole are depend on the kingdom. Now we study about binomial nomenclature. Binomial. Bi means two. Nomial means naming. Binomial nomenclature was discovered by Carus Linnaeus, which was known as the father of classification. In this process, the Carus Linnaeus described that the animals are classified into two parts of names, and this was known as the scientific name. The first name refers to the genus, and the second name refers to the species. The genus is written in always capital form, and the species are always written in small letters.
तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करिएगा और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करिएगा। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।